In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly change your header and footer in WordPress. Whether you're new to WordPress or looking to refresh your website's design, updating these areas is a perfect start to enhancing your site's look and feel. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why your header and footer are important. The header is the first thing visitors see, so it sets the tone for your website. It often includes the site title or logo and the primary navigation menu, making it crucial for making a great first impression. The footer, on the other hand, serves as your website's anchor, often providing links to important pages and contact information. Our journey begins by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your browser and type in your website's URL with wp-admin at the end. Enter your login details, and you'll be greeted by your WordPress admin panel. If you're having trouble remembering your credentials, there's an option to retrieve your password using the email tied to your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu where you'll find an option titled Appearance. Hover over it, and select Customize. This will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a user-friendly tool that allows you to see real-time changes on your website. Within the Customizer, you'll notice a variety of options that may vary slightly depending on your theme. Now, to edit your header, you'll want to select Header from the available options. This will take you to a section where you can make changes, which typically include adding or altering your logo, modifying the layout, or updating your site's navigation menu. Make the necessary updates here. If you're using a custom logo, ensure that it's optimized for web use, both in terms of size and quality, to keep loading times snappy. Next, navigate back to the main menu in the WordPress Customizer. Find the section labeled Footer and click on it. Here, you'll typically have options to adjust the content and arrangement of the footer area. Common adjustments might include updating text fields, adding useful links, or changing the layout to better suit the information you want to present. Keep in mind to maintain consistency with your overall site design for a harmonious user experience. As you make these changes, you'll notice that you can view them in real time. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to experiment a bit with the design and quickly see the results. Once you're satisfied with your modifications, don't forget to hit the Publish button at the top of the Customizer to save all your hard work. And there you have it, a revitalized WordPress site with a new header and footer. Remember, these elements are more than just design features, they contribute mightily to your visitors' navigation and overall experience on your site. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out more of our content for further tips on optimizing your WordPress site.